Well, put your hazards on.
So scary.
Put the hazards on. And the e-brake. There you go. Yeah, she can drive stick. You had a BMW stick shift.
An E46. Those were the days.
I was actually gonna buy a 335i.
No way, really?
For a daily, and I was gonna keep this for the project.
There's...
But now I'm looking at Cadillacs or Audi because I don't know.
That's luxury.
I do want a little
luxury car. That was fun.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Brooks here. I hope you guys like the little cinematic. But here's Saray. So what's up, Saray?
Hi guys.
She's gonna help me install the AEM Strut bar or the Strut tower, whatever you guys call it. But I already got the box open. It was with staples, so it took me a little while.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
You can open it from here.
From here?
Yeah, you can just pull it out because I have the camera. It's a little heavy, so don't pull it out too much. It's like a present, right?
Yes.
Look at that.
Holy shit.
It's family friendly, no cursing.
Okay.
So it'd be like, holy shoot.
Oh my
So
god.
you should.
Oh, look, it brings this too.
Oh, nice. I actually do need one. But yeah, that's the important thing I was looking for, the washers. But there's the washers. Here's the actual AEM strut bar. And then, boom, AEM. Look at this plastic glass. Oh, snap. I just hit it. All right. Can you take the thingy off? Or where's the hole? Do you have the hole there? Here's the hole. Do you want to hold it?
There's a hole here too.
Oh, okay. Is it heavy? Don't let it hit the ground. Let me pull it up. Bam! What do you think?
Oh shit. Kind of heavy, like I'm surprised.
Dude, the OEM is like this.
It's like...
Oh my god. The OEM is like this. Let me open it. Show you guys.
Yo, this is so good.
Alright, let me.
Yo, this is the first time in this...
Alright guys, so here's the engine bay. We're gonna be replacing the OEM strut bar, which is this little plastic one. Not plastic, but it's still steel, but with this beautiful one right there. So I have the tool in my glove box. Let me take out the washers. Alright, so now Saray is undoing the bolts. She will be removing 3 right there, 2 in the middle, and then 3 right there to remove the OEM strut bar. Huh? Yeah, that's why it was a pain. I did it on the other side, and I had the regular wrench, and I dropped it in the engine bay, and I didn't hear it hit the ground. Yeah, so I had to get my brother out here with the phone to show me where it was, and then, but I got it out.
All right, it's coming.
All right, so while she's undoing those, oh wait, you can undo these, I guess. And then there's 2 more in the middle. And then Saray just undoing those. Look at this. This is the rusty one. It's so annoying because it's so hard to break. But it was good because of this plastic thingy. So what I did.
What if I dropped it? Oh
don't drop. Wait. Where is it?
It's right here.
It's not gonna fall. It's inside that thing. Well, don't drop it.
Okay.
Cool. I was about to freak out. Isn't this cool though? Look how dirty it is though, but it is fading a little bit.
Aww.
Yeah, too much heat. Alright, so now I'm going to be removing the middle ones without hitting my carbon fiber back cover. God, that car is so loud. Oh shoot, I almost lost it. Imagine if I dropped it.
It would actually be funny, like I would laugh.
It would be. I'm tiny. Try to dig in. Alright, so now we're gonna pick it up. I guess the other side is stuck. It's hot. show you guys the size difference. This one is hot and dirty. So this is the AEM one and the original one. Look at the size difference.
Wow.
Alright, now let's go put it back on. I'm not trying to get it dirty. It's so shiny. Is it in the hole? Is it in the hole?
No.
Alright, there we go. Now they're in the hole. Installed. What do you guys think? What do you think?
Yo, this is awesome.
And then
I'm so jealous.
And then these these aren't hard pipes, but these pipes are also going to be AEM, same color, and it's going to say AEM. And just imagine all this carbon fiber. We're making it now, so they're still actually being made by the manufacturer. So this could be carbon fiber, this also carbon fiber, and this carbon fiber.
Wow.
I don't know what else to make carbon fiber, but yeah. So this will also be AEM. It's going to look super nice with the AEM stuff and the AEM air filter or intake. But yeah, let's tighten the screws on and that should be good. Alright guys, we already started putting the nuts in, but we forgot the washers. And look at that, they give you a little frame and a sticker. Alright guys, so she's tightening it out right now. There's no way we can do that one unless I get a manual one, which I probably will at home. And then this one's already done. All he said tight. This is just only hand tight for now until we get home and do it. There you go, very nice. Look at that.
Yo.
It's the start.
That's awesome.
Alright guys, so that it is. Simple install of the AEM Strut tower bar. Thank you Sarai for helping me out.
You're welcome. It was awesome.
And yeah, so super dope. Looks super nice. Very nice color too. Can't wait to get the other AEM stuff and the carbon fiber parts coming soon. She's gonna also help me out with that.
Yep. See you guys soon.
Alright, thank you guys for watching the video, and as always guys, have a good one. I know I ended the video already guys, but I just spotted an Evo. Beautiful gray color. But here's the beautiful better color. Bam, bam.